Hello, everyone. I hope everyone is having a great day. I'm here to provide you some more value. Today, we're going to talk about non bank financial institutions. What are those? Those are basically insurance companies. Now, don't run away because I'm going to show you why it's so important, how big insurance is, and how it really rules the world. So, if you look around, I'm in Dallas. There are cars driving around everywhere. People are going to and from work. No matter what industry you're in, that industry has you insured. Doctors, lawyers, these individuals are paid through insurance. Now, how does it actually work? Well, if you're a doctor and you work in healthcare, in a hospital, you have your own practice, whatever it may be. When you have patients, they're either going to pay out of pocket or they're going to bring their medical insurance with them. Now, whenever you provide your services as a doctor, whatever it is that you're doing, whether you're diagnosing or treating, guess who pays you? The insurance company. So, what does that mean? That means that the business is going to help you actually get some income. And they know that the way that you're going to get income is by working with insurance companies. So they want you to see patients for about 7 minutes, make it quick, not provide services that you should not be providing. You have to work within those boundaries. You can get sued. These doctors have a team of lawyers to protect them against these lawsuits. Now, those lawyers, how do they get paid? Insurance companies. Insurance companies pay them. Now, let's say someone here is driving down the road and they crash into an individual. What's going to happen? There's going to be an insurance claim. Who's going to pay for the damages? Who's going to pay for the medical services that need to be rendered? That insurance company. If one of these vehicles run into a building, someone has to pay the costs for the damaged property. That will be the insurance company. Okay? So that's just a few ways that insurance runs the world. Now let's talk about the banks. You guys know that the banks are very wealthy. They're able to turn over lots of income. They're able to have high rates of return utilizing our money that's sitting in the banks. But who protects their money? Why do the banks put in tens of billions of dollars in bank-owned life insurance? Why are they putting so much money in life insurance products? Well, they know that the tax advantages are a lot better. It protects their money and it offers them services that they cannot provide themselves. Okay? Higher rates of return. Now, not just that, let's talk about the different things that people are insuring. Of course, they're insuring their cars, they're insuring their businesses, they're insuring their pets, they're insuring their homes, they're insuring their apartments. Anything of value is being protected by insurance. Now, what is the most important asset out there? These companies know it, these banks know it. It's life insurance. Why? Because without the individuals here going to and from work, stimulating the economy, there is no economy. They know that. And I'm sure a few of you know that as well, that the second we stop working, the economy drops. Businesses don't make money. So they insure their executives, they insure their corporations. A corporation is a body. You yourself are a corporation. When you are born, you are given a social security. Now, banks are protected by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. So these are just a few things, guys. I'm going to share my screen. I want you guys to really wrap your head around it. Insurance runs the world. It controls the world. All right? People are insured medically. People insure their products. People insure their properties. People insure their material things. But the last thing they think of insuring is themselves. Well, what if you could insure yourself and be able to play into the market utilizing an indexed account. Talking about indexed universal life, where your money is growing cash value, your money is being put towards the S&P 500, and the average rate of return over the last 20 years is about 8 to 10% on average, higher rate than anyone's getting at a bank. Not just that, over the last 10 years, it's about 12% rate of return, which is unheard of at any bank. I'm going to share my screen. So let's talk about financial security for all. What is the difference between a financial institution and an insurance company? There's not too much that is different, but let's focus right here. Insurance companies are a type of non-bank financial institution. Okay, so they provide financial services. They provide products related to money. They are able to protect it. Insurance companies have pools and pools of money. They have reserves, they have surpluses. And insurance is what's protecting our economy. We are in over $30 trillion of debt, and somehow we're able to still function as a society. I'm at Starbucks, actually. There are people in there enjoying their day, enjoying a coffee. These are the people that stimulate our economy. We are able to protect people against risks, okay? There's different kind of products out there, guys. There's universal life, there's whole life, there's variable life, there's indexed universal life, which I believe is the best product out there right now. It is a premium product. Not everyone gets approved, okay? And there are also annuities. So let's check it out. So we protect against various types of risks. This is why banks put as much wealth as they can into insurance, because it protects them against risks like loss of life, loss of income, and possessions, right? Material things, and the high cost of medical bills. All of these things are the things that people need. Whenever an emergency happens, most people don't really even know how to utilize their medical insurance. They don't think about what emergency room is in network. They're just going to go because they have an emergency. And most of the time, people end up going to an out-of-network emergency room, having to pay out of pocket, and their medical insurance didn't cover it at all. Okay? So we're protecting against people from medical debt, which is huge in the United States. A lot of people are, they realize that we don't have the best healthcare system. Not just that, possessions. We want to protect our material things, guys, but what's more important than that, right? We want to protect our home. That's one of the most important things. Let's start protecting ourselves. Let's protect our lives. People know that there's risks when you're driving. And let's talk about how the wealthy stay wealthy. They keep the wealth in the family. Every individual in a wealthy family has some type of life insurance, okay? What happens when some individual, God forbid, passes? The wealth stays in the family. Okay, let's say Bill has coverage on his son, and his son's name is Jim. God forbid, Jim passes away, but he's leaving his family not with debt, but with wealth. Okay, and now that wealth stays in the family, and the rich get richer. I want everyone to understand, the message here is understand that insurance rules the world. Insurance is the wealthiest thing out there. It's behind the curtain of the banks, and it plays a huge part in our world. People need to start reanalyzing the importance of life insurance, insuring your life, protecting yourself from medical debt, and being able to have generational wealth for your families. So let's start making those decisions, guys. It's really important. I hope I brought you some value today. If I did, please like and share this video. I just did this off the spur of the moment. Oh, trucks. Trucks have millions of dollars in insurance. That is why if someone ever were to get hit by a truck, these lawyers will come running after you, trying to get your services or trying to get your business, because they know that there's going to be millions of dollars at stake. These trucks are insured with millions of dollars. Insurance pays everybody. Owners. Owners that do landscape, they are insured most of the time. What happens when they screw something up? The insurance pays out. Guys, insurance protects everyone. You got to start protecting your lives. So again, like and share this video if you found some value. I'm here to educate. I'm here to spread awareness. People need to know this information. All right. Thank y'all for watching. Have a blessed day.